Inflation can eat away at the purchasing power of your retirement savings, and it's something every retiree needs to consider. As prices rise, your fixed income just doesn't stretch as far as it used to, and it can feel like your hard-earned savings are slowly disappearing. But there are ways to fight back, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to offset the impact of inflation on your retirement savings. Now, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I recommend clicking the first link in the description for a free guide that thousands of Americans are using to safeguard their retirement savings. It's a Gold IRA guide, and it's the first step in making sure inflation doesn't hurt you. So, let's dive into it. First, understand that inflation is an inevitable part of the economy, but that doesn't mean you have to accept it as a threat to your future. One of the most effective ways to combat inflation is by diversifying your investments. By spreading your wealth across different assets, you're less exposed to the risk of one asset losing value. Now let's get real. Stocks can help, but they're not immune to inflation. You could be making gains on paper, but when inflation creeps up, those gains might not even cover the rise in living costs. Bonds can be better in some ways, but they also tend to underperform in times of high inflation. So what can you do? That's where a gold IRA comes in. Gold has been a proven hedge against inflation for centuries. While stocks and bonds fluctuate with the economy, gold tends to hold its value or even increase during inflationary periods. In fact, gold has historically outpaced inflation over the long term, making it a smart choice for retirees looking to preserve their purchasing power. But here's the kicker. Gold doesn't just protect your wealth, it can grow it. While the stock market is volatile, the stability of gold can provide peace of mind, especially if you're nearing retirement or already retired. Now, aside from adding gold to your retirement portfolio, another smart move is reviewing your spending habits. Reducing unnecessary expenses can give your savings a bit more breathing room. But let's be clear, this isn't about cutting back on essential costs like healthcare or housing. It's about eliminating wasteful spending and redirecting that money toward growth-oriented investments, like gold, that can beat inflation. Also, consider real estate. Properties, especially in stable markets, can offer long-term gains and act as a buffer against inflation. However, managing real estate can be more hands-on and stressful for retirees. Gold, on the other hand, requires much less maintenance and still provides that reliable inflation hedge. Another option is inflation-protected securities, like Treasury Inflation-Protected Securities, TIPS. These bonds adjust their principal with inflation, ensuring that the value of your investment keeps pace with rising prices. But again, they don't offer the same kind of protection or growth potential as a gold IRA. Let's talk about the big picture for a moment. As an American retiree, you've worked hard for your savings. You shouldn't have to worry about inflation eroding that wealth. That's why many retirees are turning to gold IRAs to take control of their financial future. It's a simple, reliable, and highly effective solution. If you're ready to take the next step in protecting your wealth, click the first link in the description to download the free Gold IRA guide. It's perfect for American retirees who have 100K plus or more in an IRA or 401K, or even 5 million plus in savings. Don't wait until inflation takes its toll. Take action today. To sum it up, inflation is a real concern, but it doesn't have to mean the end of your retirement plans. With the right strategies, like diversifying your investments and adding a gold IRA to your portfolio, you can protect your wealth and even grow it. Remember, if you're serious about safeguarding your future, don't forget to check out the free Gold IRA guide in the description. Thanks for watching. Protecting your wealth starts now, and a gold IRA is the best way to offset inflation's impact on your savings.